So this is a quick demonstration video for this thermoelectric module based refrigerator I built, and a controller to go with it. So this is a DC to DC converter. It's a buck converter with intelligent control. There's opto-isolator feedback, and we have a microcontroller and a current sensing Hall effect current sensor. And what this does is it's basically an MPPT controller. So it tracks the power point of a solar panel. Now this refrigerator uses two Peltiers, or high power Peltier under this heatsink and a lower power one under this heatsink. And the inside is about 10 liters in volume. That's it. And then there's a cooling plate which cools it down passively over here. And then there's another small heatsink that cools down, and this small fan that circulates cool air within. And 10 liters of volume, and put some foam for insulation, and it's a double walled container, so there's foam between the two walls for thermal insulation. And just close this, and now I will start. So our multimeters, this multimeter is set to voltage measurement, and this measures the output voltage, the voltage across the Peltier modules. Now this ammeter measures current, and this is the input current, and this voltmeter measures the voltage across the solar panel. So we'll now so solar panel is at 30 volts or so. Our output voltage is around 5 volts right now, and you can see right now it's trying to track. So the input current goes up, the voltage across the panel drops down as because of its internal resistance, and fans are spinning here. This fan is also spinning here, and it started drawing. And our output voltage is around 9.8689, 9.9 volts, 10 volts. So at around 12 volts, this circuit draws around 10 amperes. And it's getting close to the MPPT now. We've dropped down to 18 volts and about 10.31 amperes. And now you can see it'll start to oscillate around that point it is found. And input power right now is around 6 amps or rather almost 6.5 amps now. .4 amps at 18 volts, so that's around, I think, 100 and it seems to have settled at the MPPT. It has found the MPP. Now this refrigerator is rated at 120 watts. So at around 12 volts, it's most efficient in terms of operation. And if we look closely, we can see the perturbations around the MPPT point. Check in both directions. And as far as the connections goes, both the Peltiers are in parallel, with the fans also in parallel, and it all joins up here. And then in parallel to that, I have a molex connection for indoor use, and then this connects directly to the output of the converter. And a heatsink is within thermal limits. Shut down.